Hello, this is Muhammad Anwar and I teach English literature. This is our second class, and in previous class we have discussed elements of English literature. This subject has vast elements or aspects included ages, writers, their work, and so on. So today we have a specific topic of this subject. And first of all, I would like to tell you that this though these lectures actually for O level students, A level students, and metric board students, and those their examinations are uh, conducted in several boards. So our today's lecture is on origin of drama. First of all, we will discuss that what's drama and how it is evolved, how it is established throughout the uh, throughout its journey. So first of all, we have ancient Greek drama, 534 BC. Actually, the drama started from Greek civilization. The people who lived in 530 BC before Christ. At that time, drama was not as established. It was its initial stage. So when it was started. Its theme was religious. Religious people like churches in other religious places. Some kind of performance was acted in religious places. So the same thing happened in that era, Greek era, where such type of religious rituals were performed uh, as a face of drama. And that time there were songs, religious songs were is called hymns, and those were especially for gods, for their gods and goddesses. So in ancient drama, it was not decided that it's like a drama. We are going to establish a dramatical piece. But they invented this thing that people can understand it easily. So there, in those dramas, in those acts, we can say it's better to can say we call them acts, because it was not given name that it is drama. So in that acts, the religious themes, they wanted they wanted that people know that actually the religion in common language, in gestures, in help of with the help of performance, and they make people know about the lives of gods and goddesses. And that after that Greek drama, the initial stage of drama, the second one was Roman drama. Romans also copied, or you can say followed, the ancient type of uh, dramas, performances, and they also started in their religious places to perform those scriptures, to make no to understand people that what's the how the religion can change the lives of people. So, and in Romans there are also that religious themes, mystery and miracles. Mystery and miracles are two types of drama that was performed at that time. and mystery plays about Christian themes like Christmas and Easter festivals. Mostly dramas were performed inside the churches, later shifted out of the church completely. So first we understand that mystery plays, mystery and miracle plays. Actually, mystery plays about Christianity, and that time uh, the most important thing that those festivals in Christianity still are celebrated by Christians. So they, at that moment of at that movement of Christmas or Easter, they performed dramas which are called mystery. So in that dramas, basically uh, they wanted to that people know about this religion easily. And at that time Bible was not in English or in other language, because it was written in Latin language, so people could not understand this language. And the church clergy of churches, they thought that it will be easy for common people, that if we those perform those written things, written piece like that uh, Bible. So they started they started celebrations of Easter festivals and Christmas as as a face of place. And second one, mostly dramas were performed inside the churches, later shifted out of the church completely. First, they started dramas, performance of drama inside the church, and people took interest, and they were they attended in numbers, and there were like an excitement. The people wanted to know that actually what it is. So later it was like the crowd of people that usually come to attend uh, this performances. So that priests of churches thought that it would be like it will be something unreligious, and that common people were not allowed inside churches. So they thought that now it's time to shift this performances out of the church, and it will be performed in marketplace. When the drama started performed at marketplace, so uh, priests or clergy, that were those were the actors, they could not uh, participate in those dramas, in those performances. So drama went into the hands of common people. So then what happened, those dramas, the characters now were not priests or clergy or religious persons. Now they were common people. And and before those dramas, it was tradition that uh, from ancient Greek to Roman, then in English in England. So they are that all the three ages, or all three civilizations, their theme was religious, and its main purpose to educate people about religion. So when it comes to the common people, so what happened? The theme of drama has changed, had been changed, and now drama from religious, from religious to moral. And now the common actors started new thing that they, their performance were on moral themes, that how we live in a society, and how what is the purpose of human being. So moral themes were, as usual, those performance moral themes. And then started artistic themes. Actually, in artistic themes, that they wanted to show people that what they are, what is actually the reality of society. So from beginning to end, we can see that changes in drama, and established a new phase of drama through a proper channel. Like it never happened that uh, ancient Greek drama or ancient civilization started this artistic view of drama. So today we discuss this, the origin of drama. And we discussed that how it evolved from a simple, and how it organized. And in last one, that in it, when it entered in Renaissance period, so it was totally changed. Now the whole focus of drama, the writers, the performers, to show the society what actually it is, what is what people do in society. So those dramas reflected those societies. So that was the major change that comes in the period of Renaissance. The actual purpose of drama in beginning, it was that let people to know about that time of religion, that the people who did not know about that religion. So the performance was the only way to make understand people about their religion. Then, as it was, it went away from the ends of churches, ends of authority of church, because at that time the dominance of church, it was its peak. So thank you so much, and please like and share this video, and subscribe to this channel, Karachians Academy. Thank you so much.